Hello, welcome to Pandemic Physics. Today I'm going to show you how to determine the spacing between the grooves on a DVD. Okay, in my hand I have a DVD and we can see that it's rated at 4.7 gigabytes of storage. That's about 120 minutes of video. Okay, so we're going to use light interference to determine the spacing between the grooves. So what I'm going to do is take my DVD and hold it with the overhead light, more or less straight overhead. Okay, so I can see the reflection here. And what I'm going to do is turn the DVD, and as you notice as I do that, I start seeing different colors. So there's a big bright violet spot showing up here. Okay, so that really bright violet occurs when the light that's reflecting off of adjacent grooves has a difference of propagation length or path length of exactly one wavelength of the violet light. Okay, and as we rotate the disk, that path difference gets longer and longer. So here it's blue light, then green light. It's kind of whiting out on the video, but you can see then it goes to red. And then after a while it gets violet again. So what's happened is now the path difference for light reflecting off of adjacent grooves is now twice the wavelength of violet light. Okay, and if I keep turning, it goes through, blue, green, red again. Okay, and then it comes back to violet a third time. So now that path difference is 3 times the wavelength of violet light, and you can see that we're almost side on with the disk here. So that path difference is essentially the spacing between the adjacent grooves. So we can say that the spacing between the grooves is essentially 3 times the wavelength of the violet light. Okay, so from that you can just look up the wavelength of violet light and determine the spacing between the grooves on the DVD. Okay, bye.